That's actually a dog. Yeah, yeah.
fur.
This is actually dog fur.
Yeah, I didn't know that.
Do you know what I'm saying? If you knew that, would you still bought the jacket?
What's up?
You full watched it, right? You didn't watch it?
I watched it.
You all watched
I
it?
watched it.
Okay, so how does it make you feel, like seeing what you saw?
Pretty sad at that.
Sad, yeah?
I'd still eat meat.
You still eat meat. How did you emotionally feel? Like, what was your emotions when you watched it?
I mean, just a bit like it is what it is, isn't it? It's like meat, so I
Well,
like meat in my mouth.
I love meat. I love meat. Be serious.
Do you reckon a taste pleasure is worth more than an animal's life?
Nah. Taste of pleasure.
There's so many cows, so
Well, it depends
a few would hurt.
Right, so because there's a lot of them, it's okay to do it to them. What about if we replaced them with humans?
Then it should be like the humans that done something bad.
No, like if they were innocent, if we replaced all them animals with innocent humans, what would your thoughts be? Would it be okay to do it to innocent humans?
No, that's cannibalism.
Yeah, it's cannibalism.
And that's the only thing that's wrong with it.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, you wouldn't care if you see like humans going into gas chambers.
Oh, well, no.
It happened with my hood.
Happened before, right?
Yeah.
Right. What do you think of it happening before? Sorry, mate. There's a camera just behind you, mate. Come in, though, mate. You're more than welcome to chat.
You might go back a little bit.
Go back a little bit.
I got my snap.
So you picked up on an interesting point. What do you reckon? Where did it happen before?
Like Drew's got like gas and that.
Right. Good thing, bad
Him
thing.
up though.
It's like Hitler all over again.
Hitler all over
The
again.
animals are being treated like the.
Yeah, but
like,
if you think about it,
badly.
what are you gonna eat if there's you need protein?
You need protein. So
Like, there's animals that's overpopulated, isn't it? So it's like, well,
Right,
if we
yeah,
don't
no,
kill
valid.
them-
we're hitting on loads of like interesting points, right? Need protein. Where does protein come from?
Chicken.
Eggs.
Natural
Plants.
sources, yeah.
Plants.
Yeah, but
all
that's not
protein.
good protein.
Also-
All protein comes from plants.
In like Brazil, they're cutting down rainforests for like cattle farms.
Yeah, that's got nothing
Right.
to do with it.
Yeah, bro.
So that's an environmental issue. It's
environmental.
not to do with the animals' rights.
Yeah, it's about
Here's a question: do you reckon animals should have rights to protecting their lives?
Yeah.
No, because they can't talk.
Because they can't talk. What if a human couldn't talk?
No, but
Would we
God
still
said
protect
that
them?
We are the pinnacle.
Yeah, we're the pinnacle, so we like
Oh, we'll come back. We'll come back to that
we
point.
can like, you know what? Like we're important, all right? We're like the cherry on top.
Right.
No, I'm saying animals. They're like
So-
they're there for us.
Who said they're there for you?
God.
Right. That's all right. So there's no scripture or any religion that says you have to eat animals. The only scripture, am I presuming Christianity? Is that where you are?
Yeah.
Right. So it says you have dominion, right? Do you know what dominion means?
Yeah.
What does dominion mean?
Couldn't tell you.
Okay, so dominion means that like your shepherdship, like you care for, like parents would have dominion over their children, right? Yeah. So just because parents have dominion over their children, does it mean that they can put their children in gas chambers and eat them?
No, we look after dogs though.
We look after dogs. Why
And
do you look
cats.
after dogs?
people eat dogs.
Family animals, aren't they?
Family, they're traditionally we're conditioned that they're pets, right?
I mean, they've always been trained and brought up. Dogs have always had a natural instinct to
Now,
help
what's
and protect.
the moral difference between a dog and a pig?
Well, the
Oh,
pig
it's
eat-
a lot.
Pigs fucking reek.
They're dirty.
You eat
The moral differences.
You eat cows and pigs. So you don't eat dogs.
Well, that's what happens to them, but that's not the moral difference.
People do eat dogs.
What's the moral difference? Like, why is it okay to do it to one, but it's not okay to do it to another?
Because
I like dogs.
Dogs are pets,
I don't even like
but what's the moral difference? What I'm getting to, right, is we always think about what's different.
See, like,
Oh,
you
we
can
do that
walk
to pigs, we don't do that to dogs.
you can walk a dog. You can't walk a pig.
What's the similarities? What do they all have in common?
They're all animals.
Right, but they all have the desire to live.
Yeah.
Do you know what sentience means?
Yeah.
So sentience means.
Jesus fucking Christ.
So yeah, mate?
Look, my animal's depressed.
Oh, that's
Right.
not a dog. That's an animal.
Meat out of that.
What about if we took dogs in? What about if we took dogs and put dogs in gas chambers? What would you think then?
That's a fucking meaty. That dog would rope me.
If I put that dog in a gas chamber, I'd leave.
Would it be okay to put dogs in gas chambers?
I'd get
that's
my
so
legs
fucked up.
chopped.
Why would it be fucked up?
Oh shit, we're swearing now.
You can swear. You can swear. Because they're
It's like
dogs.
no, it's deep. Like, you know, people love dogs. Dogs save lives, but never seen a pig save a life.
So that's the difference. Is why we can put one in a gas chamber. Coming back to what's similar, yeah. We all have a desire to live, and we're all sentient. So we all suffer. We all feel. We all have emotion.
Quick question for you, buddy.
Go on,
Are
mate.
you using hair products right now?
Am I using hair products?
Yeah.
No.
So you know when like everyone uses hair products,
Yeah.
and it's like animal tested.
Yeah.
Like, how are we gonna stop that?
Stop buying it. So products that test on animals, as well as pigs in gas chambers, chickens in gas chambers, and all these animals, they're supply and demand industries, right?
Yeah.
So all the time you pay for it, you're voting with your money to keep that going. So how do you reckon you can affect it if you're against it?
You know
I'll
what?
come vegan.
Right?
But I'm not gonna do that. You could do that.
Why would you not do it?
So I like meat.
You like meat? No one ever goes vegan because they stop liking meat, right? They see the injustice. I wasn't born vegan. I'm not judging you guys, right? I wasn't born vegan. But I saw what you guys saw, and I thought my taste buds doesn't warrant doing that to animals, so I stopped paying for it.
You just handed out Oreos. I swear Oreos aren't vegan.
Oreos are vegan, mate.
Oh shit.
Well, I swear they're vegetarian, not vegan.
No,
They
they're
got
vegan.
milk in them.
No, they're not. They're vegan. Check it, Google it.
What's that?
Google it.
Fuck off.
But what would stop you guys going vegan? Do you just not care about animals? Just don't really care? Like you got.
No. Isn't Oreos made out of like chocolate?
So you guys have got this like bravado, like we're better than everyone else, and sort of it doesn't matter because of.
My mum's vegan.
Let's say if you guys were the victim, how would you feel?
The fuck you mean? No, she's not. Yes, she is.
If you were the victim in there, how would you feel?
No, but I'm not.
I know you're not, but if you was,
I've never been there. Never been in that situation.
empathise. Put yourself there.
Well, this guy's actually googling.
Then I probably meant to. That's probably a reason why I'm in there.
No, someone's going to eat you.
Well, it's alright.
Just swap your position now with theirs. How would you feel?
I'd be pissed.
Right?
I'd
And then,
start shouting.
and then have someone like me on the outside trying to talk to people like you guys who pay for them to go in there, and you're sort of not really that bothered. Like, I don't really care, mate. I like a Big Mac. I like the taste.
We ain't pigs, bro.
Can you change? Could you get vegan bacon? Could you get a vegan?
To a pig.
I've got a question.
Go on.
Say we became vegan right now, yeah?
Yeah.
How's that gonna help?
So all of these industries are supply and demand, right? So every time you buy a non-vegan product, you effectively pay for an animal to go into a gas chamber, into a slaughterhouse, have their throat cut. If you stop paying for that,
Yeah, but it's already dead.
it's because of supply and demand. You understand supply and demand? Yeah. So, right, if I take a litre of milk off the shelf, cow's milk off the shelf, they're going to replace that, yeah?
Oh, yeah.
So although that litre of milk, or let's say a chicken breast, although that chicken breast is there and that animal's been killed, if I create a bigger demand, then they're going to supply it. The minute you stop that, the minute they'll stop supplying it. So you can affect all of that by stop paying for it.
What if I go Tesco, yeah? I buy bacon, and then say I go Tesco and I don't buy bacon.
Yeah.
Someone else is gonna buy it.
No, because when enough people stop paying for it, then the demand drops significantly enough for it to stop.
No, I've got a question.
Yeah.
Do you actually think this is going to do anything? Like,
Yeah, massively. Why do you think you're seeing so many vegan options pop up all over the place?
now, how many vegans do you reckon it'll turn into today?
Yeah, but animals
Loads of people go
being killed
vegan.
for centuries
Over
now.
there, there's a KFC.
We had slaves for centuries
Nah, slaves are fine because they're humans too.
Yeah, they're
because they're
to the
humans.
pinnacle.
So you guys have got this superiority complex, right? The humans are superior and therefore
goes-
we can do whatever we want.
Comes at me, what am I doing? A bleed kick straight to the forehead.
But you've got this superiority complex. All the time that you're the oppressor, it's fine. But if we flipped it on the head and you guys become the victim,
But we're
it'd be a
never
different
gonna be
story.
the victim.
Not at the moment. But what if you was? What if one day you was?
What? So we wake up one day, pigs start roaming
Not,
the streets.
not necessarily a pig,
scared?
but what if someone kidnapped you and made you the victim and tied you up and then abused you and then put you into the situation they did?
No, this is kind of bad.
Animals are sort of like created to be eaten.
By who? Who says? Do you guys believe in God?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what is it? The Bible's message, yeah, is what? Kindness, compassion, benevolence. Do you think that anything that happens in a slaughterhouse resembles anything of heaven or anything of God or Jesus?
Hell. It also says rule
Hell.
over. We're not really smart enough to be arguing. It also
Or
like
if
all
you're
over the fish.
Muslim, Johanan.
Say again, mate. Sorry.
All over the fish of the sea, like something like that.
Right. So when was the Bible written? When was Jesus walking around on the earth?
Ages ago.
So ages ago, different things, yeah? You may have needed to survive back then. Right now, we got options, yeah?
Yeah.
We got lots of options.
Yeah.
Yeah?
I'm off.
Yeah. Yeah, do you know your branded jacket? This brand here, this is actually dog fur. That's actually a dog. I didn't. Sorry, mate. Yeah.
I'm just gonna say thank you.
Oh, you're more than welcome, mate. Let me give you this card, bruv. I like that. Have a look at some more stuff, mate. Yeah, I appreciate that.
Vegetarian, I used to be, but I'm not.
Yeah, so this is real. This is real dog. Yeah, it's real dog fur. And inside the jacket is that Canada goose as well.
Nah, mine's got white. Mine's got white.
Inside here, they electrocute the geese and they rip the feathers out the geese and put it into the jacket.
What about mine? What
And
about
this
mine?
is actually wild dog that they trap and they kill them, and that's real dog fur on your jacket.
No, my coat's fake.
It's
Oh,
Canada,
shit,
Canada
off the
goose.
camera.
Yeah.
No, it's not real.
If that's a Canada goose jacket,
No, I mean it is.
Yeah, so that's real dog on your jacket. But right, that was marketed to you, yeah, as like a status symbol, yeah. Like Canada Goose is known as a status symbol. It's like a good jacket, but they don't tell you that we kill wild dogs and we pluck geese alive.
Yeah, I didn't know that.
Do you know what I'm saying? If you knew that, would you still bought the jacket?
What's a white goose?
Probably
white
not.
Same, exactly the same.
Like,
I'll see you later.
Mate, see you later, mate. Have a look into Canada Goose. Well, I don't know if that went well or not. I mean, they were classic like young guys, and they all were a bit triggered. Probably upset after what they saw, but in that group environment, they don't really want to let you know their true emotions. Maybe shocked to find out that he's paid for wild dogs to be skinned alive and geese to be plucked alive for his jacket. One of them at the end actually shook my hand and said thank you. So maybe you never know if it's going in. Like it could have gone into him then, and I gave him the card because maybe he'll look into it. Them situations are always tricky, but you know, hopefully he's planted some seeds and can make some change. We try.